everyone and welcome to the channel. What if I told you that a simple display name field on a website like this one could be a doorway for an attacker to take over the entire server? It sounds crazy, but it's a critical and surprisingly common vulnerability called server-side template injection or SSTI. Today, we're going to get straight to the action. First, we'll exploit this vulnerability manually to prove it's there and get command execution. Then, we'll use a powerful automated tool called SSTI map to take full control and get a command line shell on the server. Let's get started. Alright, I'm here on the profile page of our live demo site. First, let's see how if I type in a simple word like testing and hit update, the page reloads and, as we expect, it says welcome back testing. The field is just reflecting our input. Now, an attacker's first thought might be cross-site scripting or XSS. Let's try a basic XSS payload. And nothing. Look at the title. The application properly sanitized our input. It escaped the brackets, so the browser just prints it as text instead of executing it, so XSS is blocked. But now let's try something different. Let's test for SSTI. A simple payload for a template engine is a basic math operation. I'll go to the display name field and type maths multiplication equation. And look at that. The page reloads and the title says, welcome back, 12. This is the smoking gun. It didn't print the literal text 7 multiplied by 7 like it did with the XSS payload. It executed the math. The server did the calculation. We've confirmed the SSTI. Now, we can try to get command execution. This payload is complex, but it's a standard one for breaking out of the Jinja 2 sandbox to access the underlying Python environment. I'll paste this into the URL, and there it is. We've replaced the welcome message with the output of the id command from the server's Linux shell. We have remote code execution. This is powerful, but it's clunky. Let's automate this with a real tool. Now for the fun part, I'm going to open my terminal. I have a tool installed called SSTI map, which is designed specifically for this. First, I'm just going to ask it to check the URL. The command is simple. We give it the URL with the -u flag, and in the vulnerable parameter name, we just put a placeholder word like test. SSTI map will replace this with its own payloads. And done. Look at this. It tested a bunch of payloads and has confirmed the injection. It tells us the engine is Jinja 2, the OS is Linux, and most importantly, it lists its capabilities, shell command execution, file read, file write, it's all there. Now, let's get that shell. We just run the same command, but add one more flag, --os-shell, and we are in. This is not my computer. This is an interactive shell running on the web server. Let's run some commands to see what we can do. I'll type id, nahuami, let's see where we are with pdud, and now let's list all the files with ls-al. We have full control. We can read files, write files, browse the system, it's game over. All from one badly coded display name field. So, there you have it. A live demonstration of server-side template injection. We found it manually and then used SSTI map to get a full interactive shell on the target. As you can see, this is a devastatingly powerful attack. Thanks for watching. Stay secure and I'll see you in the next one.